So nowadays there's so much competition in the workplace. Thousands of your peers are in the exact same position as you. So if you have the opportunity to do an internship, a co-op during your degree, that gives you something extra that employers will really look at.
It's a great experience, especially if you don't really know what you want to do.
It's made me more confident in myself, as well as set my expectations of when I graduate, what I can expect to get myself into.
And that's a great thing about doing something new like this, is the people and seeing all these new perspectives and ways of thinking. And especially in marketing, you're always trying to collaborate and work with new people and different ideas.
As far as social science students, I think we are very good at communicating and working in groups. We do a lot of group projects and presentations, and I think that shows in the work environment.
So London is really up and coming. There's a lot going on here, and especially in the tech sector, there's a lot of growth and a lot of opportunities.
Technology is a big part of our lives, and it's constantly moving. Getting a head start in it will help me out in my future career.
An internship is a great way to learn what you're good at, what your strengths, weaknesses, and really give you an understanding of where you might want to go.